So this would be considered historic masonry work, where we're using hammer and chisels to remove some poor previous installation to try to correct that. What we discovered when we brought the bases up out of the ground is that they're a die and socket type of construction, which is where the top is a die and the bottom is a socket, and it actually fits down into the base, so there's a slot. Someone has at some point used what we call neat cement, which is really just straight Portland, which is extremely hard. So they mixed it into a little bit of a slurry and they poured it around the die where it goes into the socket to fill the little gap around that space. In doing that, they've locked them in. It doesn't appear to have done any damage, but if we can remove it, or at least the excess, then we will. That's what we will do. And that's what we're attempting to do now. So Ray is what we're doing, what we are calling the preparation work for repointing, which is just hammer and chisel work, removing the previous mortar. Doing it by hand allows you a better level of control, so that you're less likely to do any kind of damage. If you use a power tool or something like that in this situation, you're probably going to overcut and hit the stone, either the base stone or the die itself. So it's tedious work, but it's very rewarding work when done right. If anyone's ever worked with a little hammer and chisel in small areas like that, it's therapeutic, to say the least.